Tadasana. In this pose, the body takes the form of a tall, upright palm tree and is known as Tadasana. Procedure to do. Begin by standing with your heels and toes together. Interlock the fingers of both hands and place them on top of your head with your palms facing upward. Inhale deeply and simultaneously extend your arms and body upward, keeping your arms close to your ears. Lift your heels off the ground. As you exhale, gradually return to the initial position, with both palms on your head. Lower your arms from the front and return to a relaxed stance. Advantages: enhances the metabolism of all the muscles throughout the body. Promotes flexibility in the joints and bones. Can contribute to an increase in height. Helps alleviate issues related to constipation.